Alright, well, firstly, to start the video off, I just did this because I didn't want to see the bite naked. But she's looking good. Mind you, that's not that's two different fairings, two different patterns, but yeah, she looks nice. I need to figure out what to do with the air filter. Not a lot of room. Feel like I found a solution though. Anyways, let's do a video on today. So, today I've had a very shitty, boring day. Say about today, to be honest. It was pretty much a nothing day. I had a rough sleep, so rough that I purposely knew that I'd probably miss church because I kept having a rough sleep. So then I chose to keep trying to sleep, and it got to like 8 or 9 o'clock, and I was like, no, I want to keep sleeping. I was just a really rough sleep. Yeah, I'm going for a walk now though, because, you know, I just want to do a little bit of walking. Hopefully that should make me tired when I get home, if that makes sense. But today, I tried to have a good sleep. Had a rough one. Pretty much missed church, so I didn't bother. I didn't see Judy or Greg or anyone. I woke up, jumped on the Xbox and played the new Battlefront Remastered game. Yeah, it's fun. I mean, exactly the same as the original, just got multiplayer, which is pretty miserable. I found 4 people online on a brand new spanking game, so that's saying that that community's already dead. So, but to be fair, the only reason why I really wanted it is so I could play multiplayer with Jerome. Nobody else, I don't really care. So, yeah, that's the main reason why I got it. I downloaded Star Wars Survivor Jedi or something, the second one after Jedi or Fallen Order or something like that. I've been waiting for it to go on sale. I wasn't too keen on it, and what the hell is that? It was definitely on sale. It was $38, so I bought it. Well, I don't know why I stopped recording, but it did. I think it was because my R1 friend rang me. I'm not sure. I was looking at these car parts that are broken over there in the distance. Oh well, I guess I'm not going to get much sleep. Me and my R1 friend will be doing a model, so we'll probably be up most of the night, but that's okay. Let's talk, I guess. Well, that was not a very long walk. I'm guessing I'm just going to spend the night with my R1 friend, and we're going to build a model kit, which is good fun. Yeah, I don't know what else to say, really. But I haven't done a lot today, and this will probably be the highlight of today, the kit building. The kit building is very fun, so we'll see how that goes. Anyway, bye. Might as well finish this video off and do a part 3, because I've done the videos too early. It was good. Our one friend came over, and we have done more on the boat. So last progress was just the hull. And now I am making progress on the top part of the hull. It sits like that. And he has done amazing work on Batman. And he's done really good work, not finished yet, on Robin. And they go in the boat, obviously. But yeah, other than my middle cockpit, I got a bit sidetracked on YouTube, but it's gone good. It's gone real good. Really nice. But I'm glad he come over. I've had another great night with him, just modelling. I really enjoy it because we don't have to talk. We just do our own thing. We relax. Sometimes we talk. Sometimes we don't. We can just listen to music, you know. I like that because I'm not forced to socialise, you know, and we can all just sit there and concentrate. It's a good, I don't know how to word it, but I really enjoy modelling with him. So yeah, that's all, I guess. Bye.